All right, I'm in the beaches neighborhood, or the beach neighborhood, on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Liz. So see, just a quick review, because the amount of high top, it's really narrow and tight here. So I'm just doing, I have a honey garlic wings. It's $12. It was part of the, I guess, the Power Hour. They have Power Hour half price on drinks. So I have my Prosecco. That's regular $10, which is still reasonable. But it's $5 because I got here at 5:30 and I was in the hour. So anyway, and the wings are normally I think $20, but it's $12. I added the fries. That's $2. And I got their house salad, which is $18. That's regular. So, just doing a quick show and tell. Looks amazing. All right, I'm gonna dig in. Alright, I'm going to try the salad first. So there's blueberries, the dressing is mango, cucumbers, carrot, spring mix greens, cherry tomatoes. All right.
Yeah, honestly, like yesterday I worked
Yeah, you never called me back.
Very good. Nice. Mango salad or mango dressing is nice. Try the wings. Honey garlic.
That's everything.
It's smoked. There's two types. Lightly battered or lightly breaded or smoked. I chose the smoked. Very good. Take your bite. Yum.
But again, it's not so much what you want to do, it's where something.
Sticky.
Can't overpay for real estate.
It's smoky good. Fries.
Another place called I call you.
So this will be my summer patio out here in the beaches. Make sure I come for the Power Hour. And I got an extra dipping sauce. This is the spicy honey garlic. Give that a try. Good. Take your bite. So good. Oh, dripping. Take your bite. Okay, I'm gonna just do my closing review. 5 out of 5. The wings are amazing. Coming on at the Power Hour from 5 to 6. Power Hour. I got the wings for $12. The Prosecco for $5. Regular $10 for the Prosecco, and the wings regular $20 if I saw in the menu. So the beaches neighborhood in Toronto, Queen Street East and Woodbine. Come check them out. I'll be here quite often now. Okay, take your bite. Yum.
Yeah, we get like.